Hello, good morning. Mochi and I is still in bed. Hi everyone. Mochi is Saturday, the 9, March 9, 2024. There's Mochi right there, sleeping still next to me in my bed. Good morning. I'm still super tired. Everyone. Yeah. Cuddle up with my mochi here. Cuddle up with my baby. Everyone. What we gonna do today, guys? Maybe today I will driving around. I did not do it yesterday. I was at the store. Maybe later I gonna do some I bought some dirt so I can put in my pot in the front of the house. That's my plan today. And then maybe wash my car. I need to go wash my car today. It's super dirty. And then we'll see. Will I come up this afternoon? Maybe try to make money. We'll see. You guys. Right now is like 5 o'clock or 6 a.m. It's still super tired. So how you doing, guys? Nothing much I do is just go to work and do yard work. And that's all it is. That much. Sometimes I go in a leisure time, my sister and my family, and eat restaurant. We went to Jollibee yesterday with my niece. That was a good time. And then we went to Costco. And then we went to, then going home and relax. Did not go out last night yesterday. Just stay home. Yeah, because I was super tired. Yeah, okay guys. Happy Saturday. Mochi is sleeping now. Oh, look at that. She's snoring, I think. Oh, yeah. Can you hear? Can you hear her snore? Oh, is she super cute? She's super cute. She's a cuddle up with me in my bed. Oh, I wake her. I wake her up. Super cute sleeping. She's so comfortable. She's so comfy. My baby. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired, Grandma. I'm tired. Yeah, I know. Super tired. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for all your support and to watch my channel, Vic and Mochi. Now, smile is the best thing. We need to smile all the time to keep us young. Okay, guys. Bye for now. I'm going to get up. I need to give medicine to our grandpa. Taking care of him. Taking care of our veterans guy who got hurt in Vietnam. Serving our country, helping our country. So I support them a lot. We need to help them. We need to take care of them. Thank you guys very much. Bye for now. See you in my next vlog. Bye.